So I have the Cricut Explore Air 2, and I'm just about to unbox it with y'all. So mine came with the light grip mat. And this is inside my box. It's my get started package. And then we also have a pen, the charger cord. I guess this is a USB cable. And that's it. So let's undo the machine. This color is gorgeous. Such a pretty color. So this color is super pretty. My husband picked it out. He did a really, really good job. And it matches my heat presses down there. I'm loving it. So pretty. This was in the Let's Get Started. So 1, unleash the beauty. Oh, plug in and power on your fabulous machine. We're gonna get connected. So we have to do the setup. Bookmark this page. You'll find any resource you need, and then make a little something. During setup, we'll make a practice project with materials in the fun box. So you've got this, and you got us. Tutorials, instructional videos, let's chat, and email. This is some warranty stuff. So 1-year limit warranty. Cricut Explore 2. Ready to get started. Our online guide will walk you through. So yeah, y'all, it just tells you all about the machine. These are the 2 materials that they gave me to make a project. What we're gonna do is take this off, and we're about to plug it up. So this is my machine set up. Let me open it up. It looks so good, y'all. So now we're about to come over here to my computer and get everything set up. Y'all, I ended up rigging my machine, as I call it, but really all I did was just put a cord with my computer and my machine, and it was just far apart. But I didn't even have to do that. I just did it because I was rushing, and I didn't even pay attention to the fact that my machine was not turned on. So all of this was completely unnecessary. So I'm about to cut out majority of that footage and just skip to the next part. Right here, explore, boom, boom. Here to USB. Continue. Now it's doing my machine updates. Update Explorer with the latest and greatest features. Update is up to date. So register. And it's a success. It's been registered. So we're going to start with the test image, which this time I'll do a football for my husband. And then we need to turn it to cardstock, which is already on cardstock. I'm going to do this black one. So it's telling us we need to put it on our mat. So it just says to put it right here. This is the light grip. So I'm going to hit next. Alright, so this is what I made as my test cut. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and y'all have a great night.